Okay, friends. So, welcome to my channel. I am playing the game Chicken Invaders, Cluck of the Dark side. As you can see, it's also called the Chicken Invaders 5. I am playing on the Android version, so these pop-up ads will come every time. Because without internet, I can't play this game. Okay, so let's begin. I will be playing one mission at a time. One mission, not one mission. One stage at a time. Okay. Let's see the story. Oh, at the Milky Way. Our solar system. Oh, it's here. No, wait here. It's here. Oh, it's here. What the heck? It's mad. Uh, okay. So the Earth is taking sun bath in the warm sunlight. And our spaceship. He around dinner. Oh, he's doing dinner, I think. I like your world saver special. Chicken instead of. I think he likes a lots and lots of chicken. But what's this? Is there something wrong with our son? We better investigate fast. What now? Yes, now. Uh, his captain does not let him to eat also. There's something in front of the sun. Let's take a closer look. It's the battleship of some sort. Seek is human enterprise. And its construction shows evident signs of chicken technology. Oh, can be good. What? It's spreading feathers. Feathers? Oh, I think it's completely blocking the sunlight. He want to eat better. You understand this? Stop the enterprise. Charge! Okay, now let's play. The gun which I have now, it's called the hyper gun. Okay. Okay, I like this gun. A shot in the dark. First impression, they run away. Friends, I also have played Chicken Invaders 3. I can play that. And if you want me to play that game, go down in the comment and tell me. Because I'm going according to your choice. And if you want any other games to play, I will play it for you. Okay friends, I will play one stage at a time. So by defeating this boss, I will stop the video. Okay. Panel to metal. I haven't got any fire power just now. Why? with these power pads. Amphitheaters. Oh, I know. It's probably the most hardest wave of all in Chicken Invaders 5. Oh, my favorite gun. How can I miss that? Kill them, kill them, kill them, kill them before they comes. Okay. Okay. Already done. Oh, this time we will get oh, it's gone. Why I missed it? Okay, I don't need that. Yes, I don't need that. I need firepower. I need firepower. I need firepower. 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 I know these such silly things. I need firepower. Oh, it was enlightened. Okay. Yeah. These pop-up lights are going to make me mad. Goodness. So the easiest thing is that you don't have to kill the seal. Just kill all the kill all the chickens. They will automatically be gone. Yes. No. It is also probably the most hardest wave. Okay, I don't have enough firepower. Why they're not giving any firepower to me? Yes, finally. One life also. Oh, yes. Got this. These puppets. Okay, now time for a boss fight. Enterprise encounter. Oh, encounter. Yes, I defeated it. Okay, friends. See you